Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to learn how to fold a buffet wrap napkin. First we start with our napkin completely flat. Then we're going to fold it over. And then we're going to fold it again. And this is step 3. Step 4, we're going to rotate the napkin to get the point to the bottom. And now we're going to lay our silverware on the napkin. We're going to fold this up. And then we fold this corner in. Give it a roll. And we're going to use a piece of ribbon to hold this in place. And that is our buffet wrap napkin fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.